Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are at the same park but just a kind of different location. I have the Ram set up, brought the mini Maxx as well, but we brought the Kraton because I did do a new product, guys, which I think you guys would love, which is the it will fit the Exb V2 or any V6 Arma. So this is a big thing for me. This thing took me a few months to learn, and it was just a pain in the butt just to do all the measurements, but finally got it done. I'll put my eBay down below if you guys are any interested, but in today's video we are going to be testing it out. They're also going to be available in my bumper support. Comment down below what other 3D printed products you want me to design. The only changes I've done is put a 15 tooth, I believe, and that's it. Alright, so launch this thing. Well, it's pretty dusty. Damn. No, we broke it. Steering link. That's the bad thing about these. Damn, clean off too. Damn, dude. Ugh. Oh my god, it's impossible to use. Ah. If you guys are interested in this wing mount, I'll put the link to my eBay down below, and this will fit the Exb version, which is the aluminum bulkheads, and all the V6 6S lineup. So make sure to go get yours, and I'll put the link on my eBay down below. I managed to fix it in my ESC, so we can run 3S, but I forgot to bring my 3S battery. So right now we are just gonna do 2S on it. Whoa. Oh. Dude, I am gonna make something for this. Super annoying, keep popping off. Yeah. Full throttling it every time on this thing. Barely. Oh. But good thing we brought the Mini Maxx. This thing took a beast, bro. Especially with this VXL system in it, or like any brushless system in it. This thing is a whole different animal. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.